to reinstall Blender on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Follow these steps exactly as shown in this tutorial. First, we need to uninstall Blender before reinstalling it. Go to Control Panel, click on Uninstall a Program. Find Blender in the list and click Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to remove it completely. Once done, restart your computer to ensure a clean installation. Now, let's install Blender again. This is the download link for Windows. If you're using Mac OS, Linux, or another version, download from here. Click on Download Blender. The download has started and will take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open the Blender installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Click Next. Accept the license agreement, check the required option, and click Next. Choose how you want the features to be installed. We'll keep everything at default, so click Next and then Install. The installation has started. Once the installation is complete, click on the Finish button. Now, if you go to the desktop, you'll see the Blender icon.